Woo! This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our evening time update. This is a morning time, drive time video for our friends in America and all of my brothers and sisters in Asia. Hopefully you're sitting back, relaxing, and spending some time with the family. So all of my brothers and sisters in America, good morning, Vietnam. Wakey, time to get your coffee on, get your day going. And guys, don't panic. We're seeing that Dogecoin is crashing down. We're gonna have a correction. We're gonna talk about why that's happening, what you can do, and when we're coming back, guys. When is crypto and when is Dogecoin coming back? We're gonna talk about that. So let's jump in right into it. Before we do that, though, I just need to remind everybody in the live stream, don't forget to subscribe, smash the likes. Super chats are always appreciated. Woo! And remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just an OG in the house expressing opinion, and this video is 100% for educational purposes only. Do your own risk management. Don't be an armchair investor. Do your own research. It's your money. It's not mine. And don't forget to turn on two-factor authentication and protect your crypto where they live. All right, guys. So, we've recently seen this kind of trend that's been going on, and we've been seeing that right now there's been kind of a trend reversal. In the past it was like Monday to Fridays the markets pump, and Saturday and Sundays the markets dump. But this has been reversed right now. We're seeing that right now, Monday to Fridays, the markets are dumping. And Friday to Sunday, the markets are pumping. So we've had this complete reversal. You can see it's happened here, and it's forming here again, guys. It's forming right here again. So where I see things happening, I think that we're going to see Dogecoin and Bitcoin and the other cryptos probably starting to have their pump Saturday in Asia or late in Friday in Americas. So this is really good news. So we can see a pump coming at the end of the week, and don't worry about it. We got a whole bunch of catalysts that are causing the cryptos to go down. The most important catalyst is it's coming to the end of the month. We have the CME futures coming. We have about $2 billion in options expirations coming this Friday, and most of those options are in Bitcoin calls. So, and these calls are betting that Bitcoin will go up above $50,000. So the market makers, they absolutely don't want that to happen, because if that happens, they're going to have to pay out. So I predict that after the options expire, we're going to probably have a bit of a squeezy on, because those people that lost money are going to want to make up some money. So they're going to bet in the opposite direction, and hopefully that'll drive the price of Bitcoin up. And then as a catalyst, you have to understand right now, Bitcoin is a catalyst for all other altcoins in the space to be moving. And right now, that Dogecoin is an altcoin, Ethereum is an altcoin, and an altcoin is anything other than Bitcoin. Okay, that's why it's called an altcoin, the alternative coin to Bitcoin. And also we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance right now is also going up a little bit from where it was before. So that's something we don't want to see. And let me just give this a minty refresh. So right now we're seeing that the total market cap is 2.08 trillion, and the volumes are 85.48 billion. Those volumes are probably going to go higher once America wakes up and you guys start doing some trading. And remember, now this is financial advice, but the Bitcoin dominance right here, it's gone up again. We need to go down. Some news that's happening right now, and I think it's really bullish news. You've seen that the Bitcoin hash rate triples since June 28th. And it's in recovery from the China syndrome. That was when China kicked out all the miners. You're out of there. And we had, Jamie Dimon from JP Morgan spreading the FUD. And China was saying they're cracking down on the crypto, which they had actually cracked down on a long time ago. This whole China crypto crackdown has been going on since 2013. So it's nothing new. But anytime that, the big banks, they want to actually force Bitcoin to go down, what they do is they spread FUD, and the mainstream media picks it up and blah, blah, blah. So the good news is right here, you can see that the mining hash rate has gone up to 152 ectohashes from where it was at 52 ectohashes before. So this is really good news. You can see here that we've gone up. This is a Bitcoin price in white, in case you're wondering. So we're right down here, and we were at like 52. Now we're at 152, so we're tripled, and that's always a bullish sign, because often when the Bitcoin hash rate goes up, we can also see the Bitcoin price goes up. Typically. But right now, you see that Bitcoin is down compared to where it was in the last couple of days, and that's because of the CME gap pressures. And right now, Bitcoin is trading at $48,555. And we have a little what I call my ginger resistance here at 48,880. So we need to get past that. And then, of course, we got the big, huge psychological level of 50,000. Woo! So we're going to need to get past that. This is Ric Flair of Crypto coming to you live from Asia. Don't forget to smash the likes and subscribe, and help support the channel any way you can. Become a member, guys. What are you waiting for? Become a member. All right. So what do I see? I just see that we're going to be doing sideways trading till the end of the week, and then Saturday we're going to have the big pop, and the market's going to bounce up again. And we should hopefully see $50,000 incoming again for Bitcoin. So that's what I think is going to happen. Don't beat me up in the comments if it doesn't happen. But, remember, crypto is volatile. Things can go up, things can go down. But remember, a consolidation is good, because you need to have higher lows before you can have higher highs. So, guys, don't panic if we see a little bit of correction action, because, in fact, it's good. It's healthy. So don't panic. I know all the newbies in the house, the armchair investors, are like, oh, it's going down. That's it. The crypto's over. It's over. It's not over. It's not over. It's not over. Remember, history doesn't repeat, but it definitely rhymes, and corrections are good. And Bitcoin is definitely going to be going uppity, up. And right now, if we look at the rainbow price chart, I'm excited. It's a great time to be alive. This is crypto revolution. You're experiencing something that no one's ever going to experience before. So right now, the rainbow chart is telling you exactly what we should be doing, and it's telling us, because we're in the yellow, it's saying hodl, hold on for dear life, because FOMO is going to intensify, and that's going to drive the prices up. So we just need Bitcoin to go above 50,000, hit $51,000 or $52,000, and stay there, and then we're going to see everything go uppity up. So the altcoin season is not here yet, but the altcoin month is definitely here at 86 right now. And then the fear and greed, we dropped down from yesterday. We're at 73. But, the sentiment is overall bullish in general. So that's really good news. Let's jump into Ethereum right now. Ethereum in the house. You saw that Bitcoin had a little bit of a comeback there. Ethereum is still downtown. So Ethereum is at 3,156. And it's below my 3,182 support level. That's now become resistance. And the next target or next destination that Ethereum is probably going to arrive at, it's going to be this $3,000 target. So hopefully we can stay above that, because I really don't want us to see us go below $3,000, because it's not good. But also too, don't forget we have Ethereum options expiring also on Friday as well. So we're going to see some downward pressure as well on that. And I believe that the majority of the call options on Ethereum are at around about $3,000. So we may see Ethereum, dip down below $2,800 in the not too distant future. But once again, weekends, we're going to pop. Woo! So let's take a look at briefly at Solana. Solana's, it's retrenched a lot. It's down today around about 3%, and it's down at $68. It's doing better than in my previous video a couple hours ago, where we're at 67. So it's okay. Let's see what happens. We're just going to kind of be meandering in that general direction. But overall, Solana's had a huge run, so I wouldn't worry about it. A little bit of profit taking, a little bit of consolidation. That's really good. We'll mark some, higher lows before we need to blast off to the next level. ADA in the house is following Bitcoin pretty closely. We're printing a little bit of a green candle, but not much volume. It's like 0.01%. So that's a nothing burger. But green is better than red, right, guys? Woo! You know it. I know it. Let's do it, guys. So right now, I drew this cup and handle for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is crashing down right now, and we're going to talk about why. So, if we zoom out, and take a look at the picture, Wendy Trendy. The trend is your friend, so you need to zoom out, and Wendy Trendy is always there to help out. So you need to zoom out, and it'll help you. So we got this huge cup and handle, and we have some support of 15.6, and we have resistance of 14.5. So you can see that better here. Let me help you. So right here we can see here. Let me get rid of all this stuff here. We have this cup and handle that is forming right here. So here's the cup. Dun, 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 dun. A nice cup here. This is the handle here. And as I said in my previous videos, a cup and handle looks like a cup. It looks like the OG mug in the house, the mug. So typically, when you measure a cup and handle, you'll normally take a breakout from the top to the bottom, and then you place that along the point of breakout, and that will give you the theoretical target. And the theoretical target is around about, from here, around about 50 cents. So depending on the point of breakout, it could be higher, 51 cents, 52 cents. So, based on the technicals here, we're in a cup and handle formation, and this is a long-term pattern. It's not like we're just going to go to 50 cents, boom, overnight. It may take until, in my opinion, like the middle of September before we see that 50 cents coming in, if we follow the breakout based on the cup and handle formation. So, what's happening to Doge on the 4-hour chart? I talked about it a number of times. We had this huge wedge pattern forming, and I did tell you yesterday in the previous videos that we needed to keep above the technical support of 30 cents. If not, we were going to break down. And we did exactly as I predicted, exactly as the OG predicted. I said we were going to break down. We did break down, and right now we're trading at 28.8. Now you see that we're printing a little bit of a green candle here, and we got a green triangle, which is bullish indicator. So it looks like we're going up, but we're just following the pattern of Bitcoin. So where I see things moving right now is if I take this line from here, I'm looking at seeing us, probably a 21% correction all the way downtown to around about 22.5. So worst case scenario this weekend, not this weekend, but by the end of this week, we see ourselves definitely going down to 22.5. But when are we going to come up again? Well, we're going to come back up to 30 cents over the weekend. And then the next week, we're probably going to go down again. So we're kind of going to be going range bound between, worst case scenario, 25, 30 cents. And then hopefully by April, not April, come on, get your months right. By September, by around the 15th to 26th September, if Bitcoin breaks out, if Ethereum breaks out, then we could see that 50 cents coming in based on the cup and handle pattern that we drew here. So, we're targeting around about 25th of September. Now, keep in mind, September is typically a bearish month for crypto. So this could take longer. It could not happen. We don't know. But I think that we're going to be moving on up in September. But it really depends on how the cryptocurrency market is, and particularly how Bitcoin moves. If Bitcoin doesn't get above $50,000 in September, there's no way that Dogecoin is going to go any higher than where we are right now. So does that mean that we're not going to hit our 94 cent Doge, 94 cents to $1.15 target? No, we're still going to hit it. We're still going to get there because we have a lot of on-chain data that says Bitcoin is going to 100K, Ethereum to $10. And I still firmly believe that 94 cents to $1.15 for Dogecoin is incoming in the winter, and the end of this bull run, in my opinion, going to start to slow down. End of December, end of January, but we could end up in a super cycle, and if that happens, that'll be awesome. It means that this will continue, and it could happen because this bull run has had two phases. Phase A, which ended in May, and then we had this huge dump, and that lasted around about 11 to 13 weeks, and we all experienced that. And then we're going to have another leg up now. So this is a little bit of consolidation. And always remember, newbies in the house, at the end of every month, expect the prices to be soft and prices to go down, because every month we have the CME gap, we have the CME futures that expire every month. Just remember that. And then every quarter, at the end of that month, we also have a huge quarterly CME gap that expires. So you can see more volatility every quarter as well. So just keep that in mind. So don't panic at the end of the month when you see things going down. It's very normal. So BTC loses 48K, loses 48K as analysts eye next zones for potential BTC price bounce. So where are we going to bounce from? Well, I'm pretty sure that we're going to bounce up, probably back up to 50,000 soon. How low could we go? Some are saying that we could go as low as 42,500 to 44,000. Now we have some key support there, so I'm hoping that it doesn't go that low. Let's hope not, but remember we have key support of 42.5 and 44,000. So worst case scenario is after the weekend, if we don't see us pop, we could be going down to 42 to 42.5 to 44. So let's see what happens, but we need the bulls to take it back. But remember, this is also a good time to dollar cost average. Buy the dips, buy the dips. I've got some I've placed buy orders myself. This is not financial advice. I've placed some buy orders myself at 40,000 and at 42,000. So I've got buy orders in now. I've also got a buy order in right here just in case I get lucky and I get a dead cat dip, like boom, bah. And so I've got some orders placed there. So just in case, guys. Now the other big story that everyone was talking about, I just want to rehash it. That I think around about 19 hours ago, we had this one Dogecoin whale in the house. Nobody knows who it is. Could it be Coinbase? Perhaps. Could it be Robinhood? Perhaps. So I think it's more likely Coinbase that did that. But, they bought $1.375 billion worth of Dogecoin. So that's a lot of Doge. A lot of Doge. They loaded up. That's one big bag of Doge. So, that's interesting. And I was hoping that would send the price up, but it didn't. So as we can see, that Doge right now is pretty much tied to where the biddy is. The Bitcoin in the house, guys. So let me just give this a quick minty refreshy, because I want everything fresh. I'm not photoshopping. So right now we can see that Bitcoin, my biddy, is at $47,905, and that's down 2.68%, guys. And we hit an all-time high today for Bitcoin of 49,279. We hit a low of 47,240. So what can I say? We're kind of trading a little bit midway between that. Ethereum is down 4.5%. That's not what I like to see. We don't like to see red days. Red days are not good. They're scaring you and me. But no, we want to see green everywhere. Green. We want to see the green machine. So hopefully you guys in America can take it up. So right now, ADA is also down 4.5%, almost the same as Ethereum. And ADA is at $2.72. And we hit a high today of $2.85 and a low of $2.62. And BNB in the house is $494. And that's still up almost, I was going to say up almost 1%, so now it just went down in front of me. You guys saw that happen, right? So you guys know these are live charts. So it's at 0.80%. We hit a high today of 498, and we hit a low of 466. And my Doge in the house. Doge right now is at 28.9, so that's 0.289 for those who are technical, who are going to beat me up in the comments. And we're down 6.49%. We were a high of almost 31 cents today, and we hit a low of 28.1. So that's basically it for the markets. But you guys can see there's a lot of bargains to be had right now. So this is a great day to go absolutely bargain hunting. You can, Solana's on discount now, 11% discount. Uni's on discount. Bitcoin Cash, Luna is on discount, 11%. Litecoin, Link, Matic is on discount. I'm going to pick up some Matic. I love it. ICP, XLM, I don't like it. VET, I'm picking up some VET because VET's on sale. Filecoin, might be picking some of that up because that just had a big bounce, right? So we're seeing a lot of good projects are on discount. This also on discount as well, 6%. Atom's a good project. We're not going to talk about this one. No. So you guys can see, if you guys got some extra cash on the sidelines, some financial advice, some stable coin, just hang around. Now's a good time to buy the dips because remember, tomorrow is Thursday. It's the OG in the house, dollar cost average, buy the dips. So guys, with that being said, let's just take a look at the OG portfolio in the house. Let me give that a refresh. So you can see how well we're actually doing. Despite all the dips, all the noise that's been going on, you can still see that the OG, the crypto daily trade signals, remember this portfolio is for educational purposes only, and if you decide to copy any parts thereof, you do so solely at your own risk. We are not financial advisors. So even despite all the downwardness, the downward trends, if you had copied the portfolio that we had started on July 2nd, you would see that you would still be up 46%. So, and that's a total profit of $2,345. And that gives a total balance of the portfolio at $7,304. That's why you hear the OG, I don't worry with these dips, because these dips are very healthy. You know, you need to have pullbacks before you have things go up. So guys, don't panic. It's nothing to worry about. Don't surrender. Don't wet the bed. Don't be a weak Nancy. Don't blow your load too early. Diamond hands, guys. And you know, the top of this market, you know, the top is not happening till December. So you guys at least hold to the top. So, you know, I'm not worried. You know, if you'd have started this portfolio on the 2nd of July, you'd be uppity up. So nothing to worry about. So with that being said, don't forget to follow me on what's going on here. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. We got 1,832 followers. We need to get this up to like 2,000. We almost got 50,000 subscribers right now. So don't forget to smash the likies and stop suffering from smash the like avoidance syndrome, and subscribe YB. You know what's coming next, right? And follow my linkies. Remember, now this says financial advice. It's in purple or pink right there. Purple rain. And go to Zen Music Addict. This is a wifey's, the Wi-Fi wifey's channel. And I got to shill the wife's channel. Who doesn't want to support their wife, right? I had some people that beat me up in the comments and said, oh, why are you only talking about Zen Music? Well, I have to, right? And, you know, also I had some people in the comments said that Doge is finished. Doge, it's not. It's going down. It's a correction. We could go down 22%, but we're going to be fine. Support the channel, people. You know, join Patreon if you want to. Buy the channel a coffee. Check out the merch. Check out the NFT collection. Check it. I got all these discounts. All these are in the description below every video. Check out the merch. We got hats. Boom. We got hoodies. Boom. We got t-shirts everywhere. We got it. So guys, check out the merch. And we got also, besides the outerwear stuff and the t-shirts and the hoodies, we got things like we got the mug. Who wouldn't put the mug? And it comes in a whole bunch of different colors, guys. So check out the mug. This is like the two-tone, right? We got the two tones. We got the solid tones. The two tones and the solid tones. So we got the mask here to help protect yourselves from you know what's going around right now. We also got water bottles. We got the backpacky pack. So get the backpack. And I love the backpack. It comes in a whole bunch of colors. We got socks. So if you're getting cold feet because crypto's driving you crazy, get some socks right now. You want to get some socks. And we got a whole bunch of stuff. We got stickers. We got mouse pads. We got a whole bunch of stuff galore. So guys, once again, I love you guys to death. I love it. We're getting pretty close to 50K subscriber, you wibies. And once again, God bless each and every one of you. This is Daryl, the OG from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, the Ric Flair of crypto, coming to you live from Asia. Woo! Let's get it. Get it. God bless all of you. See you in the next one. Spread the word. Get the message out. Spread the good vibe. Good morning, Vietnam. See you later. Woo!